And guys, so this is the road. Oh, this is the road near our village, and it is also connected with our um, village. Actually, this road is not connected to our village. This is another village. Our village is that side. Yeah, and this road goes straight and it meets to the Tundi side. Yeah. Okay. It's a very amazing. This road is very amazing because this road goes inside the forest. Yeah. So there you can see many people are running. I will also go there and I'll start running, doing exercises. Yeah, there. There is some some people used to run because they have a running exam. After some days they filled form for exam and they are practicing. Yeah, so they always come to do practice, to running practice, and it's a good for our health, guys. Everyone should do exercise in the morning time. Yeah, it's a very good for health, because if our health does not remain good, we okay guys, right now, for till now I just